Losing a loved one is tough. Here is a quick guide to Texas probate. This is not legal advice. Probate is the legal process of transferring assets to rightful heirs. It involves validating a will, inventorying assets, paying debts, and distributing property. Joint assets and beneficiary accounts bypass probate completely. But solely owned property? That requires the courts. First, the key terms: the decedent, the estate, the will, and the executor or administrator. Texas probate involves 4 quick steps: file the will, attend a short hearing, inventory the assets, and distribute them to heirs. In Texas, independent administration means minimal court oversight, while dependent administration requires a judge's permission for most actions. Texas offers simpler alternatives like the small estate affidavit or monument of title to skip full probate. Probate takes months to years, costing $3,000 to $10,000 based on complexity. Texas probate is complex. Always consult a qualified Texas probate attorney for guidance. Thanks for watching our Texas probate guide. Like, subscribe, and comment below.